daw? Ang gulo mo naman kausap. Ay, akala ko yung boss mo nag-hospital na. Loko ka talaga. OMG. Kaya mo ba, manager? Yes, Santa Mama. Santa Mama na ano, yung kakantahin na yung ano, alternative. Bahala na. Uy, huwag kang magpiki-piki. Hindi ako nakikipagpiki. Diyos mio. Si Sherry. Sorry, magandang dilag. Ako muna ngayon yung maganda. Huwag ka muna i-apple, guys. Huwag mo na kayo i-apple, ha? Ako muna yung pinakamagandang dilag, ha? Ayan mo yan siya dyan. Thank you so much, manager! Yes, of course. Ayan. Hey. Hello, Luis! Wow, my guapo friend, Luis. Welcome, Luis, Jose 77 Agency. Welcome, everyone. Welcome sa lahat. Marshall. Ayun, so, kung sino yung babs. Basahin niyo mag-isa yung mga pangalan niyo, guys. Hindi ko na babasa. Luis, thank you so much. Manager, hello, everyone. Destiny, please don't come up. This is my life. I am the only beautiful in this country of Nikki life. Hello? Okay, ko. Hello everyone, welcome to my live, guys. Thank you so much for coming. This is your host, your one and only Inshang of Sugar Rolls family. Okay, bahala na si Batman. Ay, bakit mali na naman yung na-cue ko? Start na tayo. I asked you to stay, but she wouldn't listen. She left before I had a chance to say thank you so much. The words that you meant, the things that were broken. Hey, but now it's hard to relate. She's gone away. Thank you. Every night you cry yourself to sleep, thinking why does this happen to me? Why does every moment have to be so hard? Hard to believe it, it's not over tonight. Just give me one more chance to make it right. I may not make it through without, I won't go home without you. The taste of her breath, I'll never get over. Thank you, everyone. The noises that she made give me away. The way of things that remain unspoken. Thank you. Build up so much it crashes every day. Every night you cry yourself to sleep, thinking why does this happen to me? Every moment had to be so hard. Thank you, Katie. Hello. To believe it, it's not over tonight. Just give me one more chance to make it right. I may not make it through the night. I won't go home without you. Oh, it's not over tonight. Give me one more chance to make it right. I may make it through the night. I won't go home without you. I won't go home without you. Thank you so much, everyone. Luis, 77 Agency. Thank you so much for coming. Salamat na sa may manager. Thank you. I-off ko muna itong pinipiki. No, 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 no. It's not over tonight. may not make it through the night. I won't go home without you. Oh, it's not over tonight. Just give me one more chance to make it right. I may not make it through tonight. I won't go home without you. I won't go home without you. And I won't go home without you. I won't go home without you. Thank you everyone. Maraming salamat. Woo! Ang daming ano ng PK. Sorry naman. Nawala kasi yung mga nag-desisyon yung cellphone ko. Sandali lang ha. Thank you, manager. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. Salamat pumunta. Paki-follow naman yung Hogan Host. Siyempre, maganda tayo, guys. Beauty queen of only 18. She had some trouble with herself. He was always there to help her. She always belonged to someone else. I drove for miles and miles and more to knock your door. I've had so many times when somehow I want more. I don't mind spending every day out on your corner in the pouring rain. Look for a girl with broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will. And she will belong, and she will belong on the window, not on my door. I'm excited. I want to make you feel beautiful. I know I tend to get so insecure. It doesn't matter anymore. It's not always rainbows and butterflies that compromise, that move us along. Yeah, my heart is full and yours always open. You come anytime that you want. Yeah, I don't mind spending every day out on your corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will belong, and she will belong, and she will belong, and she will belong. I know you hide. Know all of the things that make you who you are. I know that goodbye means nothing at all, and but can make me catch her every time she falls. Adeline Ray! Tap on my window, knock on my door. I wanna make you feel beautiful, like me, of course. I don't mind spending every day out on the corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will belong, and she will belong, and she will belong, and she will belong. Ate Lynn Hart, happy birthday! Thank you so much, Ate! Hayaan nyo lang yun. Ano? Ano nga ulit yung lagi? Ah, yung laging nire-request ni... Ano yung request lagi yung gusto mong kanta ulit? Nakalimutan ko kasi. Huwag ka dyan. Sige, sa sunod. Merry Christmas, my love. Ay, ako lang talaga yung my love ngayon. Huwag kang effort dyan. When see him every night in a tight blue jeans and the pages of a blue boy magazine. Let's go! Hey, I've been thinking of a new sensation. I'm giving a new direction. Do I want to go out with a lion roar? Roar, asan ka? Roar ka. Yeah, I want to go south, get peace and more. Yan, tayo guys. As a sitchin time, say night, and say better separate go blind. AR! Oh, shit. Ay, nakalive pala. Oh, sorry na. Kuya, look. Shiva, he bop, away bop, I bop, you bop, and they bop. He bop, a loo bop, I don't even understand. Shiva, he bop, away bop, I bop, you bop, and they bop. He bop, a loo shabba. Oh, she did it shabba. Thank you so much, JR. Salamat sa pagpunta. RJ, asan yan? Update ka, RJ, ah. Dangi, love you, Dangi. Alam ko busy ka, pero salamat talaga at nakasilip ka pa rin. Thank you so much, I love you, Dangi. Better get a shallow road. Cause I can't stand the danger zone. Hey, hey, I won't worry and I won't fret. Ain't no love, I can't sit, yeah. Shiba, he bop, away bop, I bop, you bop, and they bop. He bop, a loo bop, I don't even understand. She bop, he bop, away bop, I bop, you bop, and they bop. He bop, a loo shabba. Oh, she did it shabba. She bop, he bop, we bop, I bop, he bop, and they bop. He bop, a loo bop, I don't even understand. She bop, he bop, we bop, I bop, you bop, and they bop. He bop, a loo shabba. Shen! Shabba. Yan, thank you so much. Huwag kayo magtaka dyan, guys, kung bakit ako merong mga abubot dyan sa side. Sila yung mga ano ko, mga backup dancers ko yan sila mamaya. For the grand finale yung mga yan eh. Alam mo, hindi
Oy,
na
ako ang backup dancer niya.
Oo. Kasi siyempre, boses lang naman meron ako. Eh, yung isang makulit dyan, ganda yung meron siya. Di ba? Perfect tandem kami tatlo. Dito muna tayo, Luis! Ayan, umakit na ngayon. Ating bisita yung Muchas Gracias, Luis, for the award. Another night slowly closing in, and I feel so lonely. Touching heat freezing on my skin. I pretend you still sa disco pala. I'm in way too deep over you. I can't believe you're gone. You were supposed to be the last. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Thank you so much. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Whenever you need someone to lay your heart and head upon, remember after the fire, after all the rain, I will be the flame. I will be the flame. Hello, Ate John. Thank you so much, Lilith. Welcome everyone to my live. Thank you so much, guys. Please do follow me, guys. Paki-follow nyo naman po ako. Maganda naman po ako eh. Shadows across the wall. I feel so bright. I wanna run to you. I wanna know that I've been here. I'm lying. This can't stand for falling apart. Can't see through this all across my heart. Over you, you'll always be the one. Pasensya na kayo. Hindi pa masyadong magaling. The last. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Kuya Long, ingat sa pagmamaneho. Whenever you need someone to lay your heart and head upon, remember after the fire, after all the rain, I will be the flame. I will be the flame. Guys, maraming salamat sa support. I'm going crazy, I'm losing sleep. I'm in too far, I'm way too deep over you. You'll always be the one. You'll be the last. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Thank you, Kuya. I love you, Kuya. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Yumi, thank you so much. And Koletsky, of course. Whenever you need someone to lay your heart and head upon, remember after the fire, after all the rain, I will be the flame. I will be the flame. Hindi mo na tayo bibirthday sa kasi hindi mo tayo siya. Ayun na, basta ang importante, kita tayo. I'll be with you. Right! Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. kayo. I hope you... Migs! Hello! Thank you so much, Migs! Thank you sa pagpunta. Thank you very much. Tito Walwal. I love you guys. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Oh, nabi ko pa lang, friends. I love you all. Ray! Nakawala na si Kulits. Na-release na yan. Huwag kang ano dyan. Siya nga pala guys, si Ray nga pala yung guard ko. Siya yung official guard ng aking live. Ay, huwag kayong pa, ano dyan. Oo, guard na laging awol. Awol lagi. Next, thank you.
I got a bad disease. Up in my brain is where I bleed. Insanity, it seems, has got me by my soul to scream. No other love for me. With all the dying trees I scream. The angels in my dreams, yeah, have turned to demons of greed at me. Where I go, I just don't know. I gotta take it slow. When I find my peace of mind, I'm gonna give you some of my good time. Lips my name. It took away my pain, said please, I'll let your ride be free. You gotta let it be, oh yeah. Where I go, I just don't know. I gotta take it slow. When I find my peace of mind, I'm gonna give you one of my good time.
Thank you everyone. Dat. Ayan ka na naman. Dat. Ano nga lang yung mag-adjust beat? Kapoy naman yung ano ko eh. Yeah. Thank you everyone. Please do follow me guys. Hi guys. Yes. Morning.
Oh, so polite indeed. Well, I got everything I need. Oh, make my days a breeze, yeah. And take away my self-distraction. It's bitter, baby, and it's very sweet. Holy roller coaster, but I'm on my feet. Take it to the river, let me on your shore. Well, I'm back, baby, while I'm coming back for more. Doobie-doobie-doo-ba-ding, sing but don't, but then, but son, gotta come back. I cannot forget, but I will not endeavor. Some of my search my better, but I won't regret it never. Where I go, I just don't know. I gotta take it slow. Where I find my peace of mind, I'm gonna give you some of my good times. Where I go, I just don't know. Like my river somewhere in Mexico. When I find my peace of mind, I'm gonna give it 40 and a time.
Susunod na ba dyan natin, Chang? Susunod
Hindi
na ba
pa.
yan?
May ano pa. Wala. Huwag kayong ma-excite guys. Actually, meron
5 minutes na lang,
pa sa
bahala ka
akin.
dyan. 5
Oo
minutes na
na.
lang.
5 minutes na nga lang. Eh, syempre, for the sake of, yung team kasi natin, di ba, Christmas. So, kanta muna tayo ng Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas pala. Pasko na naman. Huwag kang mag-alala. May pasabog kami, guys. Antayin niyo, guys. Tatayo talaga ako. Abangan niyo. Kaya andyan yung mga makulit na yun.
This is Christmas. What have you done? Another year over, and you life just begun.
Dos!
And so this is Christmas. I hope you have fun. The near and the dear one, the old and the young. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. And so this is Christmas, for weak and for strong, the rich and the poor ones. The road is too long, and so happy Christmas for black and for white, for the yellow and red ones.
Dilawan pala to eh.
Let's stop all the fight. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear.
Eto na! Ito na yung surprise natin, guys. Teka. Sandali lang. Search ko muna.
Pinakawalan ko to.
Ayun na! Ito na po kami! Oh my God. I forgot. Tatayo pala ako. Kasi,
Talaga ba, ate? Gagawin ko ba talaga yun?
pinag-usapan na guys, ito na talaga. Huwag
Oo,
kayong
for
maano
you.
dyan. Ito na
Para
talaga.
sa'yo,
Kasalanan
ate.
talaga to
Gagawin
kasi-
ko na.
Yes!
Para sa'yo.
Ah,
Gagawin ko
Alam
talaga.
tawag dito. Luis, you watch Yumi. This is the highlight of my life. Yes. And then you tell your friends.
Ano yan?
Bobo chỉ chẳng chi thì trong thoáng nặng chỉ đến cho đôi à cả ô một chiếc kia cái ta tao học có vô mình ngon quá lá một chiếc kia em bobo chỉ chẳng chỉ để hoang hoang chiếc kia chỉ để hoang hoang nói chỉ để không nói chỉ bỏ bobo chỉ chẳng chi thì trong thoáng nặng don't want it all. What? What the heck? Cho nó con yo, cho nó con yo. Đi đi qua một tí chẳng chê được con yo. Đi mãi một chập, chỉ đi block, chỉ đi cóc, ngóc ngóc ngóc, quay xoay là, chỉ đi con quay lá, mất chê, em bỏ mất chê cả, chỉ đi con ngóc ngóc. Chỉ đi trong lòng lại chỉ đi bộ chỉ chẳng chỉ đi trong lòng nặng tôi đang ca 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 cô à bất chết kẹt shook. Chitty flock. Chitty flock. Ain't gonna walk, 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 joy ma. Chitty flock, joy ma. I'm what you get. Oh, chicha. Chitty flock, I'm what you get. Chitty long, long, boy. Chitty come on, boy. Chitty, I'm boo, chicha, chitty, come on, now. Chitty, so da yang. Yaba patike. Yaba 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 patike. Ay, pinagtatawanan ako ng mga tao sa labas dito po. And that's all for today's live, guys. Thank you so much. Ayan na. And it's a wrap.
Hindi ko
Hiningal ako. Thank you,
Hindi ko
everyone.
mapigil matawa.
Luis,
Nakuhulog yan.
what can you
Nakuhulog
say?
yung chan ko.
Let's go!
Maraming salamat, everyone. Thank you, Ray, Team Walwal, Team Open-Minded, ay, naku, Team
My
Corpo,
goodness.
SRF, Manager Nicky Rela. Maraming salamat sa pagpahiram ng mga admin mong makukulit. I love you guys. Dangi. Ala na, natamimi na si
Nahulog
Luis.
yun.
Pinaggagawa niyong dalawa. Diyos ko po.
Nahulog
Thank you,
yung chan ko.
thank you. Nakahabol si...
Hala,
ako nga
sumakit.
hinahawakan ko ngayon.
Sumakit yung balakang ko.
Kulitski. Ayan. Nakunan ka daw ni Ray. Agoy. Kawawa daw. Live mouse account ko ni Ray. Ay,
Grabe. Ang sakit ng chat ko kakatawa. Aray ko.
thank you so much, Manager. Manager nagrambol, nagpilipit na yung dila ko, Manager. Ay, ang dami ko ng kutas dito ba? Sorry na agad. Thank you, Manager. Thank you so much, Kuya Luke. Kahit nagda-drive ka, nakasilip ka pa rin. Thank you so much. Shen, Ate Lynn Hart, happy birthday, AR. Ang dami-dami nyo to begin with. Hindi ako maka-isa-isa ba? Thank you so much. Team Walwal, Corpo, Powerpuff Girls, sa aking mga managers, Akatsuki at saka si Manager Nick Kerala.
Happy
Thank you very
birthday,
much sa
Ate
support. Thank you so
Linhart.
much.
Happy
Ate Linhart,
birthday,
happy
Ate
birthday.
Linhart.
And
Happy
Jose,
birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Lin.
777 agency, wow. Ay, syempre naman, kahit late ka, o sige, bagsakan mo na ako 100K. Itsugas na yung babayitang to. Pumasok, tapos na live house ko. Ha? Hindi mo ako nakitang sumayang butchikik. Ang dami kong pamo doon. Luis, I'm sorry, Luis, if you saw us this way. Hey, this is us having fun. Are you having fun? Did you have fun? Very na. Diba? Tapos na yung live house ko, guys. And maraming salamat talaga. Diyos ko po. Pinagagawa